Welcome back, guys. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to show you how I make this soothing body butter for problem skin, dry flaky skin. If you suffer from eczema, you're going to find this butter very soothing on your skin. It uses chamomile, calendula herbs, and you're going to find it very hydrating, and it melts right into your skin. So let's jump right in. For this body butter, I wanted to use very lightweight butters. I started out with avocado. Mango butter is amazing. It's super lightweight with amazing benefits. And then I also use some hemp seed butter. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start off by melting these butters, but you can use any butter combination of your choice. Most people use shea butter, but you're going to love these butters on your skin. If this is your first time stopping by, you are welcome. My name is Esther and I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos. I'm going to melt the butters in a bowl of hot water. These butters melt very quickly because they're very soft. While my butters are melting, I'm going to measure out my oils. To infuse the calendula chamomile oil, all you need to do is infuse the herbs in the oil of your choice, and mine took about 6 weeks to completely infuse. If you don't want to infuse, you can use other oils as well. You can use coconut oil, olive oil, sweet almond oil. There are so many oil options for eczema prone skin. Next, I'm going to add the oils into the melted butters. If you don't want a greasy consistency in your butter, you can use arrowroot powder. Arrowroot powder helps to cut down that greasy feeling. But I like the greasy feeling in my butters, so I don't use very much. So you can always add more arrowroot powder. So I covered the mixture with a cling wrap, and honestly I just left it in the fridge. I left it overnight because I was tired. It was a long day. This is what the consistency is looking like. It's not too hard. You don't want something too hard because it's going to be very difficult to whip the mixture. So this is a perfect consistency. I'm going to use my handheld mixer, and then I'm going to whip the butter up. The consistency that you want, it really depends on you. In all, I whipped for about 10 minutes. For a light, fluffy consistency, use less butters in your ratio. So less butters, more oils, and use soft butters because that helps. So this is what the consistency is looking like. I'm just going to keep mixing for just a few minutes more. You can definitely whip some more if you want to, but this was a butter I was making for myself and not for sale, so I was happy with this. So now I'm just going to store this in my container and it's ready to use. I made a little piping bag with a Ziploc bag to transfer the butter, but you don't have to do this. I was just being extra. So that's the little coupler that I use in the bag. It just helps to make the whole process easier. So I just clip the ends and then I'm going to attach my tip. Yeah, so you don't have to do this. You can just pour the butter directly into the jar without doing all this. For this recipe, because the butters I used are very soft butters, you're going to end up with a really soft, light consistency, which is what I was going for because I do suffer from eczema and I wanted a really lightweight butter. But you can use shea butter as well. Shea butter is also good, but for this recipe I did not want to use shea butter. So this is what it's looking like. See, it's very light. It looks like a dessert honestly, but it feels really good on the skin. I wanted to show you side by side of these two butters. So the one here is made with shea butter, so see, it's more of a firmer consistency. So if you want something like that, then use shea butter. But I'm going to show you how I apply this on the skin. When I tell you that this butter literally melts into the skin and it is hydrating, it's moisturizing. So if you have that really problematic, dry, itchy, flaky skin, you're going to love this. Just add more arrowroot powder if you don't want that greasy feeling. But this is how I like my body butters. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to me in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions if I know the answer. And please go on and subscribe if you haven't. Please give me a thumbs up, like this video because that really helps me out. And until the next video, be well and take care. Bye-bye.